Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually in one of my Sunbed shop based in Liverpool City Centre, and we're hoping to open tomorrow. Just got to get all the tubes changed over. We'll be tubing the Sunbeds, getting ready to be open tomorrow. So this is the Sunbed shop. It's in Williamson Street. It's in the heart of Liverpool City Centre. And I've got my van here with me, loaded with all the tubes. Just had them delivered this morning. It's early hours in the morning. So hopefully I'll retube all the beds. So this is the Sunbed shop. This is the nail desk area. And these are the cubicles for the Sunbeds and the counters there. This is bed 1. This is the Sunbed. So hopefully I'll be retubing them, change all the tubes over. Also there's another one here. So today I'll be changing all the tubes. Here's my helper. Got some stand-ups as well, so I'll be retubing them as well. There's a few stand-ups there. So this is the shop. Can't wait for it to open tomorrow, 12th of April. So guys, what I'll do, I'll unload the van and I'll start tubing. While I'm doing it, I'll do some clips. I've got my sunglasses with me because of the light. It's quite bad for your eyes, you know, when you're retubing them. Hello everyone, I've just unloaded all the Sunbed tubes from the van just before, so they're all here now inside the shop. I took the plastic, the perspex off the beds. I've stripped them down. What I've done is just literally taken them out one by one. I'm gonna dispose them. I'm gonna be taking that out. There's another one here just took out, just about to. Well, I've just done the base. I've just took the old ones out and put the new base, new ones in. We've cleaned the perspex, hoovered inside, hoovered the fan, cleaned all around. Now this is what I've done on the top. I've took all the tubes, I changed all the starters and just replace with the new tubes. I've got all the tubes lined up here, so I'm just going to put them in bit by bit. So these are the tubes, Cosmetico. Just going to put them in. This way. So put them here. Put them here. Line them up. That's it. One's in. Oops. In. There's about 24 of them you have to put in. Mega Sun 4500, and there's about 24 on the top and about 22 at the bottom. Few more to that. If you don't line them properly, you won't go in. So you've got to make sure it's all lined in, and then you just turn them till you hear that little click, and that's it. Okay guys, it's going to take a while. I can't really do a video on it. It's going to take hours. What I'll do is once it's done, I'll do another video. Hello everyone, just about to finish now. It's about 3 o'clock in the morning. I've been here for a quite long time now, so it's all done. I'll just show you what I've done. So this is bed 1, and it's all been retubed, it's all been cleaned out, hoovered inside and so on. So just going to test if it's working. Yeah, it's quite powerful. Yeah, it's working. Move on to the bed 2. Let's try this one. This is the bed 1 and 2 is the red light ones. Quite powerful. Oh, my little helper's getting really tired. Yeah, it's a bit blurry. So that's bed number 3, which is the normal blue one. It's all working fine. The facials are working as well. Now, bed 4. I just had that on just before. Yeah, it's all working good. I say it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm just about to go home. I'm really tired. Just gonna hit the bed. This is the stand up. That's working perfectly fine, but that's going to be tubed. There's another one here. It's all working good. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.